Hi everyone! Thank you so much for tuning in today. First, I'm making a punch needle rug. For that, I have fixed burlap fabric on the hoop, and as you can see, I have drawn a picture on the fabric. For those of you who don't know, this is punch needle. I'm threading it with the yarn using a wire loop. To start the punch needle embroidery, I will make the outline with the stitches following the lines drawn. To make the stitches, each time you punch the needle in the fabric, push it down until the green part of the needle hits the fabric and pull the needle up and start it all over again. Once the outline was done, I filled the space within the outline with stitches. Make sure the opening of the needle is facing the direction you are going in. By the way, this rug shown is 7.5 inches in diameter. I have made 6 rugs of different sizes, which I will use to make wall decor later in this video. Although I'm not an expert on punch needle by any means, but I have made bunch of punch needle projects in past. So if you have questions on this subject, you can ask me in comments and I'll try to answer your questions. For the fluffy look, I cut the loops. Make sure that you cut the top parts of the loop. Please do not make deep cuts on the loops. Embroidery shears work better for this, but mine had gone bad, so I decided to use the ones that I had. I showed only one part on the camera, but off the camera, I cut the loops of the whole picture. And here's the completed rug. I drew the lines 3/4 inch apart on the foam board and cut out the strips. Painted the strips black, and when the paint dried, applied varnish for the shiny look. Since the foam strips warped, I stuck craft sticks in 3 places in the back side of the strips, which helped a little, but I think sticking the sticks all over the back of the strips would work the best. Now I am putting the wall decor all together using the foam strips and the punch needle rugs that I made. Stuck the shorter strips on each end of the long strips. Arranged the 6 rugs and mirrors and stuck them. And this is how it looks. Doesn't it look gorgeous? I hope you liked today's idea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.